Yo, what's good, you guys? Crack open my Coke Zero. Sorry, my bad. What's good, you guys? Welcome back to the market recap. I haven't really been active this week, but I did take a trade today. I went short here of this 15-minute fair value gap, and I'll go ahead and explain why I went short there shortly. No pun intended. Markets are still live, but I just want to go ahead and make this video real quick since I haven't made a video all week, and I just want to leave a video for the weekend for you guys. But anyways, first things first, we had data at 10 a.m. Eastern Time, consumer sentiment, and this one, I haven't really seen this name before, inflation expectations. I don't know how often that one releases that data, but consumer sentiment, definitely familiar with that. But anyways, coming into today, what do I see, right? The higher time frame. I'm looking at the 15-minute, but I usually start at the 4-hour, right? What do we see? Price came down, and this blue section here in Asia swept this 4-hour low, right? So I was coming into the day pretty bullish. I wanted to see price react off of this low since we took out this prominent 4-hour low and got disrespected right there in Asia pre-market. So that should give us a little sign for a little bullish action. And seeing that we did gap up there in London, I wanted to see a continuation into New York to some buy side liquidity. But mind you, we had this huge 15-minute inefficiency from this London session, right? So I was wary. I was looking at that as well because when we got market open, we were really close to this London high as well as to that 15-minute fair value gap. So I wanted to see a reaction off of this. If one, we were gonna take out the London low and tap into NWOG, and not NWOG, NDOG, new day opening gap. But like I said, I was bullish, right? Because why? We took out that 4-hour low. So, and what do we get so far in the session? Pretty bullish. We ended up taking out those highs from that London session that created that 15-minute fair value gap. Did it take out this Asia yet? No, but there's some buy side right there and looks pretty close. We might even take these out at the end of the day. Just mark these real quick. I should have had these out, but I didn't want to have too many lines all over the place. But yeah, so close to that Asia high, right? But I ended up taking a short here. Once I saw this third candle started moving down, I decided to short this 15-minute fair value gap. And I wouldn't say I had end dog because I was still bullish and I was going against my bias, right? But since we did get the small reaction, I decided to try it here, stop at this high, and I ended up catching 7 handles before I didn't feel that confident. Why? Because we had returned to this first presented fair value gap, and if we were bullish today, price was gonna respect that first presented fair value gap, so I did not want to be in that position if it was gonna get respected. And what do we get, right? Yeah, so that is it for me. I'm gonna go ahead and end this here. Go enjoy my weekend. Oh, one more thing. One of the homies ended up passing their funded account on their second try, and hey, I just want to say props to that guy because I know this isn't the most complicated thing in the world, but it definitely isn't the easiest thing in the world. So kudos to that guy. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. Like always, stay safe out there. I'll see you guys next one.